Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lisa and this is Yogi Hollow Farm. Just got home from work and I was going to take you on a vlog and show you what doing chores looks like when I get home from work. So first order of business. I take Diesel out first. I let him out because he's the only poor animal in the house who can't go to the bathroom without coming outside. And then I got to let the little itty bitties out because they're crazy. And then I love it because they all run up the hill. You free? I gotta get in here and clean this coop. This weekend it needs to be raked out. And then I'll come back and get eggs and do their water and feed in a little bit. But first I gotta take care of Sherman because you know how loud he gets. So let's go see Sherman. Sherman's having a conniption, as always. Watch as I get closer. I heard him, but I don't see him. Oh, there he is. Hi, Shermy. Hi, Shermy. And there's Miss Maggie Moo and Mr. Winston. So I'm gonna get their feed now. It's a nice warm day here in South Dakota. It's really warm, but thankfully not as bad as where I work. So there's Sherman, and then we'll get the big pigs. The big pigs are now on corn because they'll be going to process soon. And all the old timers say feed them corn. And they're loving it. And I gotta close this door. The chickens get trapped because they love being nosy, checking things out. There's 4 turkeys. So what I'm gonna do is feed the big pigs first because they're bulls right here. And then I come around and do water. And Sherman gets mad if he's not first. He has to be first. Oh geez, I missed it because I didn't want to lean on the fence. I'm sorry, guys. They don't seem to mind. And so they'll happily partake in that. And then we have Mr. Sherman over there. Sorry, trying to maneuver and hold a fence here. Hang on a minute. Sherman, you're on my feet. Don't get me full of mud. Come on. This is what we're doing now to get Sherman down in the pasture, is feeding him down here. Come on, Sherm. Here, Sherm. There you go, buddy. Oh, that's mud on him. Okay, that's a good thing. I thought he had flies or something on his coat, but it's just mud. He must have got too close to the other pigs and they splashed mud on him. So that's what we do now to feed Sherman. To get him down here, because that's his house up there, and this is his whole beautiful, lush pasture that he refuses to explore, and this is how we've got him to explore it. And you can see over there where the grass is flattened down, he's been laying down in there, and he seems to be going to the bathroom down there, so that's a good sign, because we were really concerned because he was only in the first like 3 or 4 feet of his house, and while he was doing that, we were concerned because he was constantly he's laying in excrement. So that was my concern. And I didn't like that idea. He should enjoy his new pasture. Totally. So what we did was we put his bowls here in his pool to encourage him to go down. So we'll see what happens. There's 2 of our turkeys, and I think this one may be a tom. I'm hoping we have a male and a female. There's another one. Those are the red bourbon turkeys. They're so cute. And then there's our Cornish cross. Unfortunately, we lost one of our turkeys yesterday. We're not sure what happened, but it was found deceased. So we're gonna check them out. Now I usually do the water and the feed and throw some shavings down in the coop for the meat birds. I do that on a daily basis because it gets pretty gross pretty quick. This is their last week. We're hoping to process them this weekend. Ryan just went and got me feed because we were out down here because he just got home from work. And so I won't show you that, but we're just going to do water and feed for them. And then the ducks get fresh water twice a day. So we're going to give them fresh water because you can see how gross that gets within 5 minutes of them doing anything. Look at this turkey. So noisy. And we've got a fan going to exhaust from the coop to keep it cool during this hot week. And then I go in and I do the water for the laying hens that I let out. I just refill both of their waters. And then their feed, I usually throw an entire bag in, so that lasts all week or more. So I just check the level, make sure it's on there. So I will come back in just a minute while I get all that done. And then we will show you the little girls, because I always do those last because they're the furthest away. And then I'll do the pig waters too. The reason why I'm not showing it is because we use spring water that's we get from a local pump, a local well, and you pay for it, you know, X number of dollars for so many gallons. It's really cheap. And what we do is, it's on the back of Ryan's pickup truck. I don't know if you can see it back there. On the back of his blue Dodge, he's got an IBC tote. And so what we do is we have to turn a pump on at the house, which is up there. And once I turn the pump on, I've got to be prepared to do all the water, because I can burn the pump out if I keep shutting the hose off. So that helps us alleviate some of the pressure on our well. Okay, everybody's fed and watered. And now we're gonna head down to the little pigs. So that's what I mean by I gotta leave that water running just a little so we don't burn the pump out. And yeah, their pool water is dirty, but we just filled it yesterday, so I'm gonna leave it because anytime they step in it, it's muddy. So I'm gonna give them a little pool water. Oh, little wet piggies. Little wet piggies on a hot day. I'm gonna fill their waller a little. Whatever it takes to keep them cool. And then we'll do that again in the morning, and then they get water 3 times a day in the heat. We just want to make sure the pool stays full of water, so that way they have something cool to lay in. They've got 2 pools. You can see the blue one over there. And I do them last because I have to connect the hose for them. They have not been drinking out of that water we made because they have not figured it out. They're about to get hit by the fence. Okay. Be right back. Look at these 2. Piggy piggies! Back up. Back it up. You're gonna get hit by the wire. Come on. Oh, now the fun begins. Can I get to your bowls? Thank you. Oh, I almost tripped on a piggy. That's Fiona. That's Eleanor. We gotta pick up their dishes and then knock them all the way down. Here you go. I can't dump it if your face is in there. Oh, I know, no one ever feeds you. No one ever feeds you. Now you got feet on your face. Hang on, I gotta get your water. Try to find some level ground. Bye, girls. Enjoy your supper. Ryan collected the eggs already, and look, we're starting to get the olive eggers. This is about the 3rd one, so we're pretty excited about that. These tiny, tiny little eggs compared to these. Well, that's it. All the chores are done. I'm tired. We're gonna go get some supper and relax before we do it all over tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Take care.